In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Otter AI account using Microsoft. First, open your preferred web browser and go to otter.ai. Take a quick look at the address bar to be sure you're on the official site. You should see the secure padlock icon and the correct domain. If you're signed into multiple accounts in your browser, it can help to use a private or incognito window so you choose the right Microsoft profile during signup. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right and click Start for Free. This button may appear as sign up free depending on your region or device, but it's in the same spot. Clicking it opens the Otter sign up options. On the sign up screen, select Continue with Microsoft. Otter supports a few different providers, but for this walkthrough, we'll use the Microsoft option so your new account is linked to your existing Microsoft credentials. This keeps things simple and avoids having to create and remember another password just for Otter. You'll be redirected to the Microsoft sign-in page. Type in the email address associated with the Microsoft account you want to use. Double check you've entered the correct address, especially if you have both personal and work or school accounts. Using the intended one here will save you from switching accounts later. If Microsoft asks for your password, enter it and continue. If you use multi-factor authentication, you may also be prompted to approve a sign-in on your device. Never share your password with anyone and only enter it on the official Microsoft sign-in page. If you prefer not to enter a password or you've enabled passwordless sign-in, choose the option to send a code. Microsoft will deliver a verification code using a method you've set up, often email, an authenticator app, or another approved factor. Keep the Otter sign-up tab open, retrieve the code promptly, then return and enter it before it expires. If the code doesn't arrive, wait a moment, check your spam or junk folder, and request a new one if needed. After Microsoft verifies you, you may see a brief permissions screen. Review the details and continue to proceed. You'll then be taken back to Otter, and your account creation will complete automatically. In a moment, you should land in your Otter workspace, ready to explore features like recording, transcribing, and organizing your conversations. If a button doesn't respond, try disabling strict content blockers, allowing pop-ups for this site, or switching browsers. And if you're using a work or school Microsoft account and run into access limits, your organization's admin may need to allow Otter. That's all there is to it. You've just created an Otter.ai account using Microsoft quickly and securely.